Good morning, guys. Whew, how you guys doing, man? What a beautiful day. We are back coming to you live from South Central. I woke up this morning to NAS having taken out all the TPs from yesterday's trade. All right, this is on the 1 hour. These trades were taken on the 1 minute, so it looks a lot different. But you can see here, there's 4 entries here. This was the original entry. Then we took this one on the stream. I believe we took this one on the stream, this one after. So it was 4 entries, 250 pips. Beautiful trade, man. That's why I wasn't, if you were on the stream yesterday, when a trade goes against me now, I don't even care. It ends up making me more money most of the time. Anyway, I got to make a video exclusively on that one of these days, how this works. But it's really simple, man. You just, as the trade moves, you just take more positions. Just don't take them right next to each other. You can see this one down here. There obviously was a level there on the lower the time frame. Well, that's 118 pips away from this entry. Yeah, so anyway, guys, let's get it, man. Let me get ready here. What time is it? 57. Okay. Let me remove the... Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I'll make a video later about this. Oh, man, I got a bad allergy today. Guys are here cutting my grass. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's a little annoying, but I mean, hey, it's got to get done, right? All right, just bear with me a minute here. I'm just getting everything set up. Oil. Okay. Okay. See, guys, 9 o'clock. Check NAS. I like watching NAS, but NAS is a mess today, though. Look at these boxes. But I want to leave these boxes I might make a video about this and use it to explain how I took the trade and how the trade went. I might make a video about it. Very bullish, I think. They're saying it's bearish, but let's watch gold for a minute. Let me plug in. Oh, I'm all clogged up. Damn allergies. The only thing down here in Florida. I get allergies always in the morning. Let's see this. That's 30. It's starting to look like it's setting up for a sell. Let's see. I'm not in the trade, guys. I'm just thinking out loud here. That's the trade. Just thinking about what I'm going to get in here. It's kind of consolidating now. Okay, if it pulls back, I'm going to get in. I don't know. See the way it reacts off that fair value gap? It has no intention of going through that fair value gap. I don't know, man. I'm not going to take this yet. I'm going to watch this for a minute. I was ready to jump in, man, but once I saw it come to that fair value gap, and it just did not want to go through there, man. It just touched it and ran. Like kryptonite. Hey, look at this. It's going up. All right. Let's see about NAS. Anyway, 20 minutes to New York Open. I'm waiting for NAS to sweep that high. Okay, what I really want to happen, guys, if it just come up here quick, boom, spike up above here, come back down, leave a fair value gap. Okay, come right below here, then come back to the fair value gap. And then I'll take a sell. I'll sell it off. Let's see what it does. I feel bad, like yesterday, leaving the stream with all those trades open. But I know once I get to that point, I know it's going to be like, it could take a day. It could take 24 hours. I'm not going to stay on the stream the whole time. Just set your TPs, man, and, go to other pairs. We just took the high. It's not going to always work out. It's just the way it is. But in the end, it worked out, right? I knew I was going to win that trade. I just didn't know when. Now, let's see what this does now. It's moving a little slow for my liking. I like when it sweeps the liquidity and gets out of there quick. It's hanging around there. That's a bad sign. US30 might be better. We'll see if US30 could take this low. I got the alarm set. Guys, stick around. If you're into real estate on New Year's, I'm going to be talking about, like in the first 2 months of next year, I'm going to be buying an investment house. We'll be talking about it on here if you guys want, I don't believe, I don't trade prop firms. I never got into prop firms. I don't know. I just see all those rules and they could just change the rules. I don't really like it, I don't trust them, to tell you the truth. I mean, if you do, hey, that's, I don't want to argue about it or nothing, but it's just not for me, But these guys like talking about making money on a prop firm and then, investing it into your forex account. And if I make a couple thousand on a prop firm, I'm putting it in an account and saving it so I can invest it in something else besides forex, man. That's just me. Why put it at risk again? You went through all the trouble of getting that money and winning it from one of these shady prop firms. Then you're going to put it right back at risk. You got to find another investment tool and funnel the money out of forex and into other investments. I think that's the best way to go about this, you know. Whether it's crypto, which is also risky, real estate. Everything's risky, but a lot of things are a lot risky, or less risky than forex, you know. So anyway, I'm going to be buying a house within the first 2 months of the new year. I'll probably take a couple of weeks off right around Christmas, maybe the week before and the week after Christmas, something like that, to New Year, and then I'm going to start looking for an investment house, and we'll discuss it online. Whoever's interested in getting into real estate. I've always been at one time I owned 16 houses in New York. That's a whole video or a whole series of videos in itself. But yeah, I've always had a real estate bug in me, you know. And it's time to get back into it. A lot of money's made in real estate, man. Especially if you do it with this strategy that I'm going to take now. I want to buy low-end housing, like $30,000 houses, sell them and hold a mortgage for 30 years. I'm going to pay cash, and I'm going to hold them and sell the mortgage. You know, hold a mortgage for 30 years. But we'll talk about it when the time comes. I almost have, I'm almost ready. And the new year, that's going to be next year's project. I want to get 3 or 4 of them next year. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see if that comes to fruition. You know, I put it out there to the universe, man. Put it out to the universe and see what happens. But yeah, I don't know what you call this style of trading I'm doing. If you would call it, it's not really grid trading, because grid trading is like, you know, you decide like every 25 pips, I'm going to take an entry, or every 10 pips. It's usually done with some kind of robot or something. I guess it's just DCA trading, but, you know, I enter based on structure, you know. All right, guys, I might sell NAS here. Let me get ready. All right, I'm going to take a sell on NAS. I'm in. Let's see what happens here. Let me get rid of this. Now I got too much stuff here. Let me find a midway mark. See what that is. $75 pips. That's good. Let me change that color. So that blue line, guys, is TP1. Let's stop to break even. Take at least half. Okay, that's how I do it. Yeah, but real estate, guys, you know, you got to get to a point where, you know, right now I'm doing this. The only thing I do is trade, really, you know. But I want to get it to a point where, I don't know. I like trading. If you don't like trading, I don't think you should do it, man. I was kind of like, when I found out about trading, man, that people were trading from home, man, and I started getting into this. I had joined one of them MLMs, and I was just addicted to trading, man. I just love it, man. The whole thing fascinated me, the charts, everything. I thought this was only done by little old men, man, in little rooms in big buildings, But I didn't know you could do this in your living room. I wish I would have did this instead of going to high school, man. I said that before. I wish I would have learned this. But yeah, man. So yeah, I think you gotta love it, man. You gotta really like it, man. The only thing is it can be boring. That's why I started making these videos. It can be boring. This looks like it's gonna go against us, guys. We're gonna end up we might end up taking another DCA trade here. Yeah, so I like take this trade on the stream, and I'll watch it on the stream. I don't want to get too crazy, but I'll trade for another hour or two, or during the day I have alarm set, and I'll have like sometimes 5-6 trades going at once. That's why, even though I'm trading these small lot sizes, I have TPs hitting all day, When I get set up better, I'm gonna, after New Year, probably I get set up better. I'll probably do like a Telegram. I have a Telegram group, but nobody's in there, so I don't put nothing in there. I'm not real good at making groups and stuff like that. I'm a plumber. I'm not like a computer guy, computer nerd. Yeah, I still just think this is gonna drop, but we'll see. 7 minutes to New York Open. That's gonna tell us what's gonna happen, man. I never entered gold. Oh, maybe it's gonna go up. Yep. If it breaks that, it's gonna go up. A little fake out, maybe. So yeah, next year is gonna be exciting, man. Get a couple of pieces of real estate. I want to move to Southeast Asia eventually. That's the plan. But I want to be able to leave my kids here. That I want to buy enough real estate and have enough money coming in that covers all my bills in the U.S. And I could just go to Southeast Asia and trade and party, man. Basically, I'm retired, so wow, look at that! It jumped right down to our entry. That's a good sign. You could tell, like, I don't like to stay on here longer than I have to. I'm not really big on videos, but I just do it because it gets boring trading, man, to be honest with you. But if you're in Southeast Asia, it's easier to trade, man, because like the New York Open is 9:30 at night over there. And I never trade London Open, but that'd be like 3 in the afternoon or 4 in the afternoon, something like that. Compared to here. Yeah, it would be like 3 in the afternoon, I think. So you could trade both. I could live stream both sessions. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. Hey, what do they say? If you want to make God laugh, tell him your plan, right? We'll see what happens, man. Man's got to have goals. What do you think? This is going to go up or down, guys? I still think it's coming down. 3 minutes to the open, though. Yeah, man, I was struggling up until a year ago with trading. Until, see, my thing was I didn't like using a stop loss, man. I would always move the stop loss. I just stopped using them, man. I don't use them anymore, man. I very rarely lose a trade now. It's unbelievable. I at least get back to break even. This way of trading has really, just changed everything, man. Sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes I even want the trade to go the wrong way. I know it sounds crazy, but I know I'm going to make more money. All right, we're in profit. 1 minute to the open, and we're in profit. Let's see what happens here. Which way is it going to go, guys? Okay, the blue line is take even, stops to break even. It's take even. Take profit, stops to break even. Let's see. Here's our final TP down here. 20721.8. Uh-oh. Come on now. How much time left? 15 seconds. It's touching that little fair value gap. Looks like it might reject off it. We'll see. Yep, it rejected off it. Here it comes, baby. All right. It's open. Get ready to take some profit, guys. Well, it's kind of stalling out. Let's see what it does. All right, looks like it might want to go up. I don't know. Maybe it's just coming back for a retest. Nah, it looks like it wants to go up. Yeah, it's going up, man. What about US30? Is it doing the same? What the heck? Oh, coming back down. Like a yo-yo, my friends. There it comes. Feel free to take profit whenever you want, guys. We're up about 15 pips, 16 pips. It's not bad. I just picked this spot here arbitrarily, was halfway. Maybe a good place to take profit is right here. It's up to you. That should be around 20 pips. We're at 20 pips. We just hit 20 pips now. So whatever that. Oh, here we go. Okay, guys, I'm closing. I took some profit. I'm still in this trade. Our final TP is down here. This is where it really is. I put it a couple of pips back for safety. It's coming right down, guys. Get ready to close. Close whenever you want, guys. All right. My internet freeze. Oh my goodness. My internet froze, guys. I'm gonna close. I don't know what the heck to do now. I'm closing. I don't know what happened there, man. Anyway, nice trade, guys. Am I still live? I guess so. The other one went. Weird. I'm getting alerts. Okay. All right. This smashed our TP, guys. Here was our TP here. Now, what you want to do, guys, I'm going to jump off because that was a 75 pip trade. But down here, pick an area down, like right here, it's going to reverse. Maybe here. It's either going to be here or here. Anyway, beautiful trade, guys. Thanks for stopping by, man. You know me, I don't like to hang out here all day, but we made our money. Let's go have a nice day. I got my day's pay already, so I'm out of here. And thanks for stopping by. You guys have a great day on purpose, man. God bless you guys. And I will see you tomorrow, man. We'll get them one last time. Give me a like on the video, man, and say hello in the chat if you want. And yeah, guys, great trade, man. Should I take the buy? Should I hang around for the buy? Let me see. Let me go to a higher time frame. All right, it could be down here, guys. Actually, I would think down here. This is where I would buy, guys. I'm going to put an alert. If it breaks that line, I'm a buyer. But anyway, I'll probably be out shopping or doing something. I'll probably miss it. So don't do what I'm saying, guys. Just, I have to analyze it when it happens. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Look at that candle, man. My goodness. That's some volume, man, huh? That's crazy. All right, guys. I don't know. That's like 13 wins in a row. I don't know what to say about that. Except let's get it, man. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Cheers, guys.